So many of the candidates used to ask me, I have trained Power BI course, but I'm not getting job. What should I do? I'm very good in Power BI concepts, but still I'm unable to crack a Power BI interview. So these type of questions used to ask me. So who are learning Power BI course and who are already done the Power BI course, what you have to learn the additional skills to crack the Power BI interview as well as to survive as a Power BI developer or Power BI analyst. So maximum of the candidates are just learning Power BI course only. The duration of a Power BI course is 30 to 45 days. Okay, so people are completing that course and applying for jobs, but they are unable to crack the interviews. So there are few reasons are there, guys. Okay, so you are very good in Power BI concepts, but you must also learn some associated skills. I will tell you what are those skills. First, let me explain you what is the exact process of Power BI in real time. What exactly Power BI developer does. Then you can easily understand where we can apply what are the skills you learn in the real time environment. So see guys, in Power BI there is one of the best feature available, that is nothing but you can access the data from different data sources. So you can get the data from different data sources like Excel files, SQL Server, flat files, OAD, CSV files. You can get the data from any data source. After get the data from different data sources, so by using Power Query Editor, you can extract the data and transform the data and load the data. That means the ETL. Friends, you have to notice here, you can get the data from different resource, means it might be CSV file, it might be flat file, it might be notepad, or it might be Excel file, or from SQL server. You have to merge the data, and also you have to clean the data which are unnecessary based on your requirement. And also you must notice one thing, guys, you should understand the requirement first thing. So before starting the entire process of Power BI, first you must understand the requirement. Then only you can create dashboards and you can generate reports based on the client requirement. Okay, without understanding of the requirement, you may not create the proper reports or proper dashboards. Okay, so therefore the first skills are you must understand the requirement properly. Okay, so after understanding the requirement, you have to merge the data or clean the data based on the requirement. Okay, and also you have to transform the data by using Power Query Editor. So if you are very good in how to use Power Query Editor, then you will become expert how to use Power BI. That means you are reshaping the data into specific format based on the client requirement. After clean and reshape the data, then you have to use a Power Pivot, or we can say data modeling part, or we can say data modeling component. That means you have to create the relationship between the tables. And also you have to do one more responsibility. By using DAX, you have to measure the data, or you can say you have to calculate the data set. So you must be very good in functional or calculation programming, that is nothing but DAX. Okay, so if you are very good in DAX, then you must be expert in Power BI analyst. After done this job, then here is the main part where we are using visualization part. Okay, so visualization, data visualization, we are going to generate the reports and dashboards in a visualization part, dynamic visualizations. So by using these reports and dashboards, then the business partners will take the decision about their business, how the business is going on, in which area we have to improve, where we are going down, where we are in up. Okay, so they will take some decision making based on their reports and dashboards. Okay, so after that, those reports or dashboards they will publish by using Power BI services. So this is what exactly, so this is the exactly the process of Power BI in real-time environment. Okay, so here many candidates are learning only Power BI. Okay, so they unable to, so some of the candidates are not learning properly DAX, because in entry point of view most of the questions used to ask from DAX. Okay, and also some SQL queries also, whether you are good in to write some SQL queries. Okay, and also some data warehousing related topics as well, like a relationship, one-to-one relationship, one-to-many, many-to-many relationship. So here in this area you have to create some relationship between the tables. So therefore, not only with Power BI, you must have good in DAX and some data warehouse basic concepts, data analysis skills, so you can able to write some SQL queries as well. Okay, so then only you can easily crack the Power BI entries. Okay, and also you will get good package as well. And some of the candidates used to ask me, I am not getting calls from any companies because you are not specifying few keywords. You have to specify these keywords like data analysis, data warehouse in your resume. Okay, you are mentioning only Power BI. I am very strong in Power BI concept. You have to also mention or specify the associate skill set as well. You are very good. I am very good in SQL Server. I am very good to write complex SQL queries, and also I have very good knowledge in data warehousing. I have good experience in data analysis. You have to mention those keywords in your resume. Then only you will receive more and more calls from companies. So friends, my conclusion words are learn Power BI, and also you have to learn associate skills as well, like DAX, okay, SQL Server, data analysis, and basic data warehouse concepts as well. So if you are very good on these skills, then you can easily crack the interview and you can easily get the job as well. I hope this video is very helpful. If you feel this video is very helpful, then don't forget to share to your friends also, guys. So we'll meet with one more useful content video. Thank you very much.